we have our packs all ready to show you, and it would be, okay, let me start. Look at how fun this is.
I mean, nothing better than spinning a turntable.
Like 0 things, okay.
Should we just start over?
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay. Hi, I'm Joanna.
And I'm Clea.
And together we founded The Home Edit.
We're professional organizers.
Though we're way more than that too.
Yes, we definitely are. We have a shared love of design and interior styling, and we both feel very strongly about aesthetics. But our shared passion is really what led us to reinvent traditional organizing so that it not only keeps your home neat, but also transforms it visually.
Exactly. It's all about using functional systems that can be maintained for the long term while elevating your style.
That's why we are so excited to be partnering with Walmart and to be sharing the Home Edit collection with you all.
We're so passionate about providing smart and stylish solutions for everyone.
When we started working on the Home Edit collection with Walmart, we knew that it would allow us to make getting organized easy.
We have some favorite edits from the collection here in front of us, as well as behind on the shelves.
What's so amazing about these packs is they have everything you need for any project.
For example, I am obsessed with the laundry edit. It has space for all of your detergents, your dryer sheets, fabric softener, honestly everything.
It makes organizing so easy.
So easy. And even though these packs have everything you need, we thought it would be so fun to share some of our favorite organizing tips to help you get started. Okay, let's dive in.
My first and favorite tip is to make it smart and then make it pretty. What I mean by that is that you should create a system that fits your lifestyle and your space. It's part of the reason we worked with Walmart to create the edits for different rooms in your home. Joanna mentioned the laundry edit like we have here, but we also have a pantry edit and a bathroom edit.
We also have multi-purpose storage that can be used anywhere in the home.
So understanding your space and how you use it is the most important step when it comes to getting organized. That will help you determine which storage products you need and which edit is right for you. Then you can think about how to make it pretty by curating what items are being stored and how you're placing them together. For instance,
ta-da!
The 3-tier riser creates functional canned goods storage while looking beautiful on your shelf. Okay, Joanna, your turn.
So my favorite tip is to contain items within designated zones, just like we did here for the laundry edit. Here's our turntable.
In our little bin.
Creating zones for your items makes it so much easier to find exactly what you need. Don't you agree?
100%.
It also holds you accountable because it's easy to tell when you start exceeding your space.
It's so true. I'm always like, Clea, stop buying goldfish. You're out of room in your orange zone.
It's easier said than done, but honestly, creating zones and sticking to them is so helpful.
Okay, our next tip is to color categorize your items. If you can't tell, we love color.
Can you tell?
Just look at our pantry edit, organized in every color of the rainbow. But organizing by the rainbow is actually a functional labeling system. It gives you a visually appealing set of instructions to help you find what you're looking for and where to put them away when you're done.
Lastly, when it comes to organizing any space, we always recommend thinking through the general categories before the specific ones. Consider a playroom, for example. You can utilize the multi-purpose edit to contain broad toy genres like blocks and art without getting overly granular.
Instead of organizing toys like into princesses and superheroes, think broader, like figurines.
As long as your categories are contained, you cannot go wrong.
I'm Clea.
And I'm Joanna.
Thank you so much for tuning in with us here on the Walmart YouTube channel.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.